Hey dear friends, let us solve this equation. For the part of A, let us take the y-axis in vertically upward direction. It gives the y-axis upward direction and with the 0 at the ground. Here this is the ground state and we take the 0 value, and this is the up state and the highest is y point. So we get the point is 0 to this is the height is y vertically in direction. So now v naught is equal to, this is already given 20 meter per second, because the ball is thrown vertically upward with the velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of multi-story building. From the top of, this is our building and this is the point of A, which is multi-story building, and the top of the multi-story building is this, and A to B. The height of the point from where the ball is thrown is 25 meter. So this height of building is 25 meter from the ground. And how high will the ball rise? They ask about the value of y minus y naught. This is, we find out the value of this y minus y naught. We know that v naught is equal to 20 meter per second, and the acceleration due to gravity, that is already given us, that is 10, that is g, that is minus 10 meter per second square, because ball is coming thrown in the downward direction, so acceleration due to gravity is downward, then but ball is upward, then it gives the negative value of minus 10 meter per second square. So the initial value of velocity, that is v, or final, this is the initial value of velocity, that is 20 meter per second, and the final will be 0, because at rest it gives the value of 0. So initial velocity is, that is v, that is final velocity, that is v, that is 0 meter per second. If the ball is rises to height of y from the point of launch, and this using the equation, for this we use the equation v square is equal to v naught square plus 2a into y minus y naught. So we putting these values here from the equation 1, 2 and 3. In this equation we got 0 is equal to 20 square plus 2a, that is minus of 10, into y minus y naught. We had to find out the value of y minus y naught. For this, solve this equation, we got the value y minus y naught, that is equal to 20 meters. So after solving the equation, we got the value of y minus y naught, that is 20 meters. And if we want to solve the value of second equation, how long it be before the ball hits the ground, उन्होंने बोला है कि कितना टाइम लगेगा कि वो अपनी जो बॉल है वो अपनी ग्राउंड को जाकर हिट करेगी, कितने टाइम में. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ टी. सो यूज द इक्वेशन. For the value of t, we use the equation y is equal to y naught plus v naught t plus half a t square. So we have all these values. Let us find the value of t. For the value find t. So now we know that y naught is equal to 25 meter. That is already given us 25 meter of building height, and y is equal to 0 meter, v naught is equal to 20 meter per second, a is equal to minus of 10 meter per second square, and we have to find the value of t. So let us put in these values in this term. We find the equation. After putting the values, we got y is equal to y naught plus v naught t plus half a t square. After putting the values, we got 0 is equal to 25 plus 20 into t plus half into minus of 10 t square. Now 2 5s are 10 and we got the equation 5t square minus of 20t minus of 25 that is equal to 0. By solving this equation, common the 5 term, 5 into t square minus 40 minus 5 that is equal to 0. We got t square minus 40 minus 5 that is equal to 0 and t will be is equal to 5 seconds. So this is our equation. We got the value of time when our they ask about the question how long will be before the ball hits the ground, कि वो कितना टाइम के लिए बॉल नीचे गिरती जाए, कितने टाइम तक नीचे गिरेगी. तो उस टाइम का वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा 5 सेकेंड. दिस इज आवर आंसर. थैंक यू.